Horses out. Breaking for the lead. Geronimo. Sound value is done on the inside. Moving up shot top on the outside. Manila Magic. Gallant Warrior is racing in P. Flash away. Terrible Heart. Kulensa. Naglalabyog. Spitfire and Robin Good is the early trailer. Into the turn they go. Sound value by about 3 lengths. Geronimo wins second. 2 lengths away. Moving up now. Flash away. Shot up alongside Port. Manila Magic is racing in Pipa. Terrible Heart, Gallant Warrior, Naglalabyog, Spitfire, Robin Good, and Kulensa now racing in last days, swinging to the back. Sound value goes on by about 3 lengths. Geronimo still in second, and here comes Flash away now in third. Shot up in Port. Manila Magic. Terrible Heart, Gallant Warrior, Danori inside, Spitfire, Naglalabyog, Robin Good, and Kulensa. And it's still Sound value by about 2 lengths. Geronimo still in second. Shot up alongside third. Then followed by Flash away. Manila Magic. Geronimo takes the lead. Sound value. Danori inside now is Flash away. As they come down at the last 200. Geronimo, Flash away. Shot up is on the outside. But it's still Geronimo. Shot up. Danori inside is Flash away. Geronimo, shot up. Manila Magic moving up. And nearing the finish line, it's now Geronimo. Close, Manila Magic. Number 1, Flash away.
Geronimo.